Hello boys and girls on YouTube, how y'all doing? RBH back at you, another good video here. Y'all see this piece here? That's called the bumper step plate. It's gotten a little sun faded over the past 5 or 6 years. And as y'all can tell, it's plain, it's black. So I ordered this one off of eBay, and it's actually got a chrome fascia. So we're going to show you how to change your rear bumper step on a Jeep Patriot 2012 and up. 2012 they changed the body style to this body style. Anyway, alright, here we go. Y'all ready? Get your fingers and left and rip. Snap. Snap. There it is. There's the old one off. Yep, I done done this once, y'all, but I cleaned this. You'd be amazed at how much gunk and stuff gets in there. Pollen, all that good stuff. So, alright. Now let's grab our new one. Alright, let's grab our new one. Ooh, it's pretty and it's chrome. Alright, all we got to do now is make sure we get our little snaps lined up in our holes here. Now this is not a factory piece. This is an aftermarket piece. So I'm not sure how the fitment is going to be 100% correct. So let's go easy with it. Snap in there. Just kind of give it a little wiggle and wiggle. And you'll hear it snap in. There we go. Now once we feel like they're all in, let's just go ahead and give it a bump in. Like so. And this side over here is not wanting to snap in. That's what we get for buying stuff off eBay, guys, that aren't actual factory pieces. You have to watch what you get on eBay. That joker just is not. It is dang sure not snapping all the way in on this front piece. And let's see what we got over here. We're in, we're good, we're tight. Yep. Problem with aftermarket parts, y'all, especially off of eBay. Yeah. Well, there's our in the hole, but it just won't snap down in and lock. So, well, y'all, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. So, is it worth the $60? Well, I don't know. Let's give her a little wipe down for my grubby fingerprints. Yeah. Let's shut the hatch. We got our single 15 box in. And there you go. Adds a little shine to the back of it, and we can get up here close so we can show you guys. Let me lower y'all down some here. Oh, where's my thing? See, we are just not. It just will not snap in there. Not sure why. Tabs are lined up. It wants to, but it just keeps snapping up on this corner. So I think I'm going to keep it, but what I'm going to end up doing is I guess I'm going to have to do some double-sided 3M body tape or something like that to hold that down since it won't snap. Then we'll come over here. The chrome here is probably going to start to try to peel or something, because it's kind of got a little, almost a flake look to it. I guess you guys might be able to see that right here. Like I said, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose off eBay, and well, I don't know. Anyway, that's going to conclude that. I'm going to go get my Gorilla Tape and fix that. So, we'll catch y'all in the next one.